Hello, it's Tom from Farland Classic Restoration. Today we're going to have a quick look at this 1968 Shelby GT500 in our showroom. Very, very nice car. This car was restored in the late 80s according to documentation, extensive documentation I should add. It's got a full Marti report, and this Cobra Jet engine, we believe, is correct and proper for the vehicle. If you know anything about these Cobra Jet engines, it's almost impossible to quote-unquote match numbers on them. So that's a little tricky, but we believe this car to be very, very authentic. I'll show you some documentation in a moment. Overall, the car is in outstanding shape. A few little cracks here and there that we see in the fiberglass. It's just very, very common on these Shelbys. Some experts on them don't trust it unless there's some little cracks like that. Anyways, the restoration was done in the late 80s, maybe early 90s, and was very, very well done. The car was originally lime green. In restorations that are that old, we like it because those were usually using almost all NOS, new old stock, parts from the factory. So none of the cheapo stuff you can get today. I took another video outside that will run after this. Shows it starting up, as well as the operation of the convertible top. The interior is in excellent condition. Very, very nice. The top's in great shape also. Back here, original tools and jack. Lift this up without injuring myself. Oop. Okay, original jack is back there. Trunk looks excellent. Painted inside the trunk also, which is always nice. And also have extensive documentation here, as well as a couple gold medals. You can see all this heavy documentation here, 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 even an article in a magazine. And there's the Marti report, which is something you always, always want on a car like this. A couple other little things, just some very small paint flaws here and there. But the restoration is aging very, very well. So that's about it for this car. Let's go outside and have another look. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this car, please give us a call at 720-588-8427 or email info@farlandcars.com. Thank you very much.